Kia Too Technical. So today I wanted to show you that my Google Messaging app has got the new chat theme on my Z Fold 7. Now, I know there's a lot of people around saying that they have not yet gotten the update, which is true. You are in Google Message beta, you get to test out some features earlier than other devices. So pretty much, if you want to check to see if you're a beta tester or if you need to get into that, you just want to go to your Google Play Store, and then as you can see, it says Google Messages beta, and scroll down here. And if this is still available, it'll let you click to join the beta. As you can see, it says you're a beta tester. You'll see new features before the public does. Give your feedback. Now, that's good, but I still think they're rolling this out slowly, even if you're a beta tester, because this is my Z Fold 7. I didn't do anything to the app. I just happened to come to the app this morning and check in one of my text messages, and it said chat theme. So you just have to check, because there's no real download. There's nothing saying update that's going to bring this feature. So I don't know how they're rolling it out, but I do know, I believe you have to be a beta tester. And once you're a beta tester, you just have to wait, because my Z Fold 7 has a beta on my S26 Ultra, and I still do not yet have the theme. So it's just a waiting thing. This phone just happened to get it first with this app. I don't know why, but it just did. But you get a lot more color themes that you can come here and choose from than what you got before. They will try to match your background, your wallpaper, as you can see. And that's nice to have, because a lot of people are coming from Samsung Messenger messages, and they want that look and feel on Google Messages, and it just wasn't there. But now we are slowly getting it rolled out to now it's slowly rolling out. So there's colors, and if you come down here, this is all of the wallpapers pre-downloaded on the app for you to use with your backgrounds. But as you can see, my own setup right here. So if you want to pick your own, you just go to your choose photo. You go through your photos and you can pick whatever you want and download it just like that, no problem. I bet. But now you can come through here and just click on the different kind of wallpapers that you want, and it will change the background and try to match the color. And the thing is, you can have different photos from different messages. It works in group chat and in regular text messaging with regular people. So, and then once you get one that you like, you just hit next, and then you will hit choose color if you want. See, it's pulling that color out, and then you just hit apply, and just like that, you have a different theme for each text messaging with the person that you have. You click on the three dots, chat theme, and there you go. It's easy right there. You can just come here and pick through whatever you want. Each one of these wallpapers have 4 or 5 different wallpapers you can select from. But good thing you do not just have to use what are pre-installed. You can upload your own. I hope you found this video helpful, and I will catch you in the next one. I'm out.